This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove duplicate contacts on iPhone. So if you have multiple duplicate contact on your iPhone contact list, follow these quick solutions to merge or remove duplicate contacts. In order to remove duplicate, we have to install an app. To do that, go to your App Store and search for Duplicate Contacts Remover and install this free app and launch the app. Allow, analyze, tap on full and partial duplicate, tap on merge, and then all your duplicate will be merge or remove. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.